So, hi dear Libra, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a journal of reading for all the Libra, Sun, Moon, Venus, or Rising from 6th till the 12th of April 2026. Roles can be reversed also, and if it is not resonating, this is not your story for sure. For personal reading, healing sessions, check out the description box, you'll find the links below. And for tarot reading course, self love course, and Ho'oponopono masterclass, two links are given below. Don't try to forcibly fit yourself into the readings, honey. Sometimes the messages are not for you. Please keep that in mind, okay? Respect yourself and the reader. Cool. Let's see your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment, Libra. We have the Emperor. Somebody here is feeling like putting on this mask of I don't care and everything is in control and I'm not that much emotional right now. Somebody here feels like taking the charge and taking the control of their emotions and not saying too much or not expressing too much. Let's clarify the Emperor as their feelings. Okay. We have the Ten of Wands and the Three of Cups and the Seven of Cups. Yeah. This situation, this partnership, collaboration between you and this person is becoming too much heavy and burdensome to proceed further. And they're super confused whether they should like keep it going or they should leave it behind because of the emotional chaos and emotional confusion that they're going through. In this situation, they're not able to understand what they should do, and that's why they feel like they should at least behave that they got their shit together and they're not that much bothered about the situation. They are not confused, they are not feeling the burdensome and heavy energies, they are not okay affected by all of the shit, but it's not like that. They are deeply affected, they are very confused, they are not able to understand what they should do about it, but they feel like they should just put on this mask of everything is fine, I got my shit together, I'm good. Okay, let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Libra? Nine of Pentacles. So from your side, you feel like you should just remain free individual, like independent, free, and doing your own thing, and not bothering too much about anything else or anyone else. Okay, let's clarify this nine of Pentacles as your feelings. So we have the Nine of Cups and the Four of Cups and the Ace of Wands. You know, you feel like whenever you start connecting with somebody, whenever you start feeling like okay, someone can be your wish fulfillment, somebody can give you the kind of happiness that you feel like having in your life, all you get is disappointment and dissatisfaction. So you feel like okay, you feel like staying connected to people, but at the same time keeping your individuality and freedom your topmost priority, because at the end of the day everything and everyone is going to disappoint you. This is what you're feeling. Okay, let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them? Two of Swords. This person wants clarity. This person wants to understand where the situation is going and what can happen next in the situation. There's a lot of up in the air kind of energy. There is a lot of not being able to see the clear picture of the situation ahead of them kind of energy. Let's clarify. Two of swords here. They're on the crossroads for sure. Let's see. We have the two of pentacles, the five of wands, and the ace of pentacles. Yes, this person wants to clear the air with you regarding something. Maybe they're dealing with other person too. That can also be an issue, and they're not able to understand whether they should choose you or someone else over this situation, or this situation is so on and off, in and out. They're not able to understand whether they should participate in this conflict with you, or they should move forward towards something new or someone new. So they want the proper clarity and understanding of what they should do in this situation, so that they can be at peace at the end of the day, and everyone involved in the situation is going to be in a good position, is going to, yeah, be happy. That's what their intentions are. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, Libra? Three of swords. You just want to heal yourself properly from some kind of heartbreak or some kind of hurt feelings. Something is still bothering you, something or someone is still bothering you on a deeper level, and you just want to heal yourself properly. You just want to come out of this heartbreak. Okay, let's clarify the three of swords here as your intentions. Okay, you're still hurt by something or someone, and you just want to get over that heartbreak. Okay, let's see. The sun card, the queen of swords, and the seven of pentacles. Yes, you just want to be happy, you know, you just want to be happy in your life as much as you can, and you don't want to wait any longer for the healing to be completely done, right? You just want happiness. That's it, Libra. You're tired of waiting and waiting and waiting and getting nothing good in return. You are tired of waiting for the time when you are going to be completely healed from from a heartbreak, from a painful cycle of your life. Now all you want is happiness, with or without someone, mostly without. Okay, let's see what could be the possible outcome for you guys till the 12th of April 2026. Six of Wands, it's like you being the center of attention of your own world, or you getting some kind of success or victory in a particular direction of your life. Let's clarify the Six of Wands. We have the Knight of Swords, the Five of Cups, and the Star card. You know, you guys are going to be like in this energy of stop running away from the pain that you're feeling. Stop running away from the pain that you guys are experiencing. I'm just telling you, right? In the outcome, I do see you trying to fix yourself as quickly as possible because you are tired of waiting for the healing to be done. And in that energy of wanting to heal yourself as quickly as possible, you might start taking care of yourself too much. You might start doing a lot of stuff to keep yourself happy, to keep yourself in the high vibrations. That's actually you doing the healing in a hurry, in a rush. And then at the end of the day, feeling empty and feeling sad because you are still not healed. Hmm? So Libra, it's going to be one of those energies where people are going to think you're super, super, super happy. You got all your shit together. Your life is so beautiful. Your life is so meaningful, and you are inspiring others. But when it comes to yourself, when you're going to sit with yourself, with the like the pain that you're experiencing and whatever you're going through, at the end of the day, you guys are going to feel empty and lonely and sad only because you are just trying to fix this pain as quickly as possible, and the more you are trying to fix it, the more it's coming back to haunt you. It's not like the universe is punishing you or something, but there is always what we call that, a pace to the healing thing. Sometimes it take a lot of time. The moment you are going to relax, and the moment you are going to accept that it is going to take time for you to come out of some kind of painful experience of your life, and it's not an overnight job, you will start healing automatically. But you have to give it time. It's not going to happen as quickly as possible as the way you want it. Not happening, sorry. Let's see the guidance here. We have the King of Pentacles, the Six of Swords, the Queen of Wands. There is this energy of you continuously wanting to be with someone, but trying to like go away as far as you can from that particular person or particular someone, right? So maybe there are issues, there are obstacles or challenges in the situation that you guys are not able to manage or not able to handle. It doesn't mean that you should just keep on punishing yourself and keep on wanting the same thing continuously, and then you are asking the universe to help you to heal as well. You guys have to accept the truth and the reality of this connection, of this bond, whatever is keeping you stuck in this bond. You have to open your eyes, and you guys have to see the reality check, be in the reality check, okay? Until unless you guys are going to be honest with yourself, be truthful with yourself that this is what it is, and you cannot change it, or you cannot do anything about it, you guys will not be able to move forward. So you guys want somebody by your side. At the same time, you are just trying to run away as far as possible from that person or that situation. It's not going to work out like that. Either you want it or you don't want it. If you want it, and if it is possible to be with this person, try to go in their direction and fix things. If it is not possible for you guys to be together anymore for whatever reason, you have to again be in the honest and truthful energies about the situation and keep moving forward. Leave the situation behind then. Okay, toughest job. Let's see. Let me answer one of your questions related to this particular situation of your life. This portion also might or might not resonate. If it does, good. If it doesn't, don't worry too much about it. Just let it be. If you're not going to get a clear cut yes or no, then you can take the message as the guidance for this particular situation. And I'm going to give you 10 to 15 seconds to give you the answer. If that's not enough for you, you can pause the video and then pause whenever you feel like. So let's start. You can close your eyes, take 3 deep breaths, ask your question 3 times in your mind space, keep it short, simple, and precise, and your time starts now. So the answer to your question is not the right time. Okay, let's see. Sometimes a path or choice might be the right one for you, but the timing is currently off. Instead of giving up on your dream, realize that maybe it needs to be put on hold, or you need to keep working at it a little longer until the stars are aligned. That's the answer for you if it is making sense. So thank you so much for tuning in. Libra, will see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.